Around 2.5 weeks ago, I thought I wasn't working hard enough, so I started cutting out things from my day that I thought were a waste of time. And one of the things that I cut out was going on walks, which is something I've always absolutely loved. I love being outdoors. So for a week, I had more time to work, and I felt more in this like hustle grind mind state. So I thought it was working, but then I started noticing two things. I felt my focus go down. Whenever I got on the computer to work, I couldn't stay as focused. I could be focused, but I couldn't stay focused for a long time. I also noticed my mood go down because usually, like, I'm a super talkative guy. When I go to the gym, it's usually it's like 50-50. For 50% of the time, I work out, and then the rest is just me talking to people or my friends. After I cut out the walks, I went to the gym and almost in this like anxious anxious feeling of not really wanting to speak to people, and I just wanted to get my workout done and just go home. And this is like absolutely not me at all. So I had a few more hours in my day, but I started paying attention to what do I actually waste the free time on? Because working and going to the gym, it doesn't take too much time. Like, it takes maybe half the day, but I still had time left in the evening. What I was doing was that the time I gained from not going on walks, I had to spend it on something. I just spent it on being on my phone. So I had basically cut out the one thing that kept everything together, like the walks. This is what has always kept my mental in check. And I replaced it with just being on my phone and consuming content. So obviously, like, the overall quality of my life started to go down. Because even when you do the work on the computer and the work is purposeful and just feels good to do, your brain is still like actively doing something. So the brain needs moments of peace. The brain needs time to recharge, and scrolling on phone may seem like it's recharging, but actually you're processing information. I started adding the walks back in. It's been over 2 weeks now of going on walks every single day. And yeah, my mood is just way better. I feel so much more present, and I hope I'm not going to do this mistake ever again of trying to optimize my day by cutting out the thing I actually love doing. If you want to optimize your day, you can do it, but just cut out the things that waste your time, like scrolling on your phone or consuming content. I made a video about that, so go check that out and take care.